Hello my crafting friends. So today I'm coming on with a bunch of videos. I probably won't upload them all in the same day, but I've been gone away from home for visiting family and helping out while my sister was up with her husband with some cancer and chemo difficulties, and I was staying with her children. So I did a bunch of shopping and everything. So there'll be a bunch of haul videos and some stuff I took with me to work on. I'm going to show you. But I'm super excited today because I was watching a YouTube channel, and I like to use natural products and kind of try to live a healthy lifestyle and be careful what I eat and everything. And so there's this company called Simply Earth, and so I signed up for their monthly essential oils subscription box. And so I'm going to put a coupon code in the description box below if you're you're a person who loves to use essential oils and likes to use natural things on your skin, hair, cleaning around your house and such. There's a coupon code. It's called Marla H free, and it's in all caps. I'll put it in the description box below, where you can get a free monthly subscription box. And so when you sign up for the monthly subscription box, they send you this big bonus box as well. And so my monthly subscription box for September should be here, and it's a recipe box. So there's recipes and stuff to make. So this I'll show you what's in the bonus box first, but this is the September essential oil recipe box, and this is what you would get every month. But like I say, when you first sign up, they send you a bonus box, and it smells absolutely lovely. I can smell it smells like lemongrass. So these are just like the basics that you'll need to make and use for some of the recipes. So this is a coconut oil. It's 100% pure, unrefined, cold pressed. So this is what you will use. It's like hydrating and used for some of their recipes that they send you in your monthly kit. And then you get this packet of beeswax, and it says a natural skincare, so it's probably for making some skin recipes. And then a lot of times you need a carrier oil when you're making like a roll-on for whatever whatever product you're wanting to use. So this one, the carrier oil, this is coconut as the carrier oil. And then they sent some almond oil as a carrier as well. And then they sent, these are the roller bottles. So there is 6 roller bottles. These are the larger ones. Let me see. I believe they're the rollers. I think they already have the rollers and everything. Yeah, so see, they already have the rollers attached to them, and you just pop this off and you put your how many ever drops of the oil, the recipe that you're gonna make, and then you can put a nice little label on here, and you have your home remedies. And then they also sent these. There is 6 of these as well. So these would be like if you want to share some oil with a friend. These are just kind of like a sample bottle that you could fill with the oil, and then when you unscrew this, then it will be just like the normal little dropper, so you can just drop the oil out. But this has a band on it that I don't want to break, because if I ever do want to share oils with a friend, then that's going to keep it all sealed in. So let me move this box out of the way here, and I'll show you what is in the September monthly recipe box. So if you're interested in receiving one of your own, like I say, you can go to their website and put in Marla H free in all caps, and you can get a free box. So they always send you this, which is the nice little labels, so you can have you know, the labels to put on your jars. And the recipes this month are a lemongrass Cajeput and Bay compress, a sugar scrub soap bar, a flowers, spice, and something nice soap, and a Happy Joy facial soap. And then you can also make a Happy Joy roll-on, and there's the directions, or this is what to put on the label for that. And then these are the actual recipes. So you got the lemongrass Cajeput and Bay compress. And so it just tells you how to put it, you know, refresh the compress, and so it tells you, like, if you have cramps, you have a fever, you got congestion, you have varicose veins, and this is what to use that compress for. And then there's a flower and spice diffuser blend, and that's if you have your diffuser, and they sell those. And then the soap bar, a soap, a facial soap, and then how to create a Happy Joy roll-on blend. So you'd use one of these and the almond oil that I got, and then just 6 drops of the Happy Joy essential oil. So I got this really cute, this is how to make your soap. It says 100% handmade, and it's a silicone mold. So I can use the recipes in here to actually make a really nice soap. And those make really nice gifts too for other people. And this is the aloe soap base, so this is what your base is going to be. And then you have your essential oils. So this is Bay essential oil. And this is the Happy Joy essential oil. And this is the Cajeput. So this one, let's see if it's just a, yeah, so aroma, fresh, and cameras. And then there's the lemongrass, which looks like it kind of leaked out a little bit. Yeah, it did. It's leaked out of my bottle, but anyway, it smells amazing. I love, love, love that scent. So I'm going to put a link in the description box below to their website with my coupon code if any of you are interested in receiving a free monthly kit of, you know, if it's something that you think you would find useful and helpful, and you want to get a free kit, you can go to their website and put in Marla H free in all caps, and they will send you out a free monthly kit. Thank you, ladies, for watching, and I hope this is something that interests you, and maybe when I make up some of the recipes, I can come back and share those with you, and how I enjoy the oils. So thank you, ladies, for watching.